Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Blackberry Key 2 Red Edition. Now you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $700. Now this video is going to be kind of quick because I already did a full unboxing of the Blackberry Key 2 and I did a full review of the Blackberry Key 2. Now if you want to see either one of those videos, I'll leave the links up in the description. Now, just for a quick reminder, this is a GSM phone, so it's only going to work on AT&T or T-Mobile. If you got Sprint or Verizon, you asked out. Now, this one is the 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage version. Let's see what else. Now, we'll just recap the specs real quick. 4G LTE. For the display, you got a 4.5-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 1620 by 1080, and that's 434 for the PPI Patrol. You got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor. You got dual 12 megapixel cameras on the rear, 8 megapixel camera in the front. Like I said, this is 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. The battery is 3,500 milliamps, and it's running Android 8 Optimus Prime. All right, let's unbox this and see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building. White Shoes, calm down. All right, so this is the Red Edition. We got the Spider-Man on deck. Let's bust this open. Rah. One more. Here we go. Watch out, Shoes. Rah. Okay. Blackberry Key 2 Red Edition. Scoop Coop. Beautiful presentation. Now you got your red logo. Now just for comparison, here's the original Blackberry. This had the blacked out box. This is the Blackberry Key 2. Now you got the Red Edition on the box. Okay, red trim on the side. With the original black trim, now you got that red trim. So already we got a nice presentation alert. Inside, whoo, check this out. Hold up, let me get this little plastic off. Rah. And on the front, we got one more. Rah. Look at this. Let me do the smell test on this. Smells like old school. All right, let's see what else you get in the box. Shoes, all right. Let's see what else. Inside, this is actually a nice presentation. There's your SIM ejection tool. Got your usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. Here's your fast charging brick. All right, now I'm gonna leave this in the plastic because I'm actually gonna give this phone away. Check this out. Red Blackberry headphones. Now, I'm sorry, whoever I give this to, y'all gotta bear with me. I need to see these real quick. Let's take a look at these headphones. Oh, these headphones look nice. You got Blackberry logos on the headphones with the red cables. Let's see, do you have a, yep, you got plus and minus, volume up and down, and you got a play and pause button. Shoes, scoop, scoop. And you also got your USB Type-C charging cable. Let's see, anything else in this? Shoes, you see anything else in there? No? All right, good. Let's open this other one real quick. See, did I even take everything out of here? Let's see the headphones on this, on the original. Okay, the original came with the same headphones, just in black. Okay, cool. Now, for the phone itself. All right, Shoes, fall back. For the phone itself, you got that beautiful red trim going all the way around. You got that black matte feel on the back. Let's grab the original. Shoes is in rare form today, y'all. Bear with me. I'm going on vacation, so she must know. On the back, there's your dual 12 megapixels cameras. There's your flash. On one side, you got your power button, your convenience button, volume up and down. There's your SIM tray. Dual speaker grills on the bottom. USB Type-C charging slot. Got that also. Let's see. I haven't used this in a while. I think the middle is the power button. There it is. All right, so the middle is the power button. That's your convenience button. Haven't used Blackberries in a minute. Okay. All right, Shoes, scoop, scoop. Look and feel identical. But basically, you got the red trim and the red face. Now, you got your iconic Blackberry keyboard. All right, nice tactile feel on these buttons. You can also use swipe keys. Like I said, I'm not going to go too deep into this. I already did a full unboxing and a full review. I tore this thing apart from top to bottom. The bottom line is this. If you want a phone with a keyboard, this is the best one on the market. This is the best Android phone with a keyboard. Might be the only one that's out right now. Let's wait for it to boot up real quick. Let's get a little wipe down for that dramatic effect. And we take a look at this display. Not the biggest display in the world. This phone will really appeal to somebody that, well, somebody like me. Somebody that grew up with Blackberry phones and you can't let it go. You miss those days of banging out emails like this. Maybe you just hate touchscreen phones. You want that physical keyboard. This is the only way to go. All right, if you're looking for a phone with a keyboard, this is the best one. All right, so I'll set it up real quick and we'll just breeze through some of the OS. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, like I said, this is not a full review. I just wanted to mention a couple of things. First up, the build quality. This feels so good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. If you're looking for that old school heavyweight Blackberry premium feel, this is it. All right, nothing cheap about this at all. Now, you do got a fingerprint sensor built into the spacebar, and it works 100% of the time, and it's nice and smooth. No lag on that. The display is beautiful. The speakers sound great. The camera's decent. It's running Android 8. That's a little bit behind, but this is the most secure Android phone that's out right now. But the number one thing about this phone, and the main reason that you're going to buy it, is this keyboard. If you had a BlackBerry Bold, that was the best BlackBerry keyboard in the universe. This is exactly like that. It feels exactly the same. All right, this is that iconic BlackBerry keyboard. If you're looking for that feel, this is the phone that you need. Let's do a little test. All right, we'll save that one. Let's try this out. We'll do test. All right, let's take it to the old school. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. Check that out. Now, I haven't used this BlackBerry in months, and I typed it just like that. Imagine if you use this every day, you're going to be firing out emails at the speed of light. All right, now, if you old school like me and you remember doing that, it gets to the point that you don't even have to look at the keyboard. You'll be able to type so fast and smooth with this. Not to mention, you do got swipe keys. So if you want, you can swipe and swipe up. This is a go. If you're looking for an Android phone with a keyboard, this is the only way to go. Now, like I said, check my full review for all of the pros and the cons. But this is a major go for that keyboard. Blackberry Key 2 Red Edition. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're going to buy some of that technology, You gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.